What's up guys, the Hack Spot here, and I just picked up the Apple AirPods Pros, so I'm super excited to test these out, do an unbox for you guys. So here it is. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. Wait, what? This is a Pro product? Where are the Apple stickers? I don't call it Pro because of that reason. USB-C to Lightning. Okay, and these are still Lightning to the headphones, but the power brick has USB Type-C, just like with the iPhone 11. Alright, so I've got both in hand right here. These are the AirPods Pros. These are regular AirPods, the first gen, and the second gen honestly look the same besides a wireless charging case. But yeah, here's like a size comparison. I can see that if I'm going to flip it this way, it's like a little bit taller than regular AirPods, so it is bigger than the regular AirPods, but I mean, you can still fit this in your pocket really easily. Now look at the difference in the hinge. So that's the AirPods Pro, and then over here, yeah, I can see this one's like more kind of glossy and it's like one piece. This one's kind of like looks like an aluminum. But yeah, let's do a click test. So first we can start with the regular AirPods. Actually, let's do that. And here we go. All right, so that's the regular AirPods, and now here are the new ones. So to me, it doesn't feel as nice as a regular AirPods. With, I mean, it's like more like a deeper click, but yeah, it's still really nice. All right, so over here, actually there's an LED indicator, so when I go open it up, there it is. All right, so I am updating my phone because it does say that I need the latest version of iOS, which is right now iOS 13, so see, I'm downloading that right now. So when I'm actually going to open this up, you guys can see if it pops up my phone. Boom, there it is. Some features of this audio accessory require an update, so I'm in updating and I'll be back once it's done. Alright, so we are finally updated. You guys can see I'm on the latest version of iOS 13.2. We can't really see that, but anyways, I'm gonna open my case. You guys can see it pops right up over there. The case is pulsing, as you guys can see, and the AirPods are spinning. Hit connect, and let's see how long it takes. Okay, and just like that, we are good to go. So you got all the controls right here. So media control. Press on either AirPod to... Okay, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. I'm going back to see the other one was, but yeah, there it is. And let's go in to see. Control center. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Oh, okay. That's quick control from Control Center 2. And all right, announce messages with Siri. I'm gonna do not now. I don't like when it announces messages. And all right, so here we go. So we got the battery life on both devices, like the battery case and the actual unit. So here we go, done. And that's basically it. Now let's head over to the settings over here, and let's tap on the eye over here for the AirPods Pro. You can see noise cancellation. I wonder if you can turn it on or off from here. Oh yeah, you can. So I can turn it on or off from here too, just by tapping, which is pretty cool. Or I could just turn it off. So these are individual toggles, and yeah, so I can just turn it off. I can put on transparency mode, or I can put on noise cancellation. So there's actually 3 modes, which is pretty crazy. So if I tap on the left one right here, I can see there's noise cancellation, transparency, and I can just go and toggle those on or off. Or actually no. Oh wait. All right, so I can just turn it off if I want to. I can have the other feature if I want it as well. So with the left one, I can control Siri or use it for noise control. And the same thing goes for the right ear was as well, looks like it. So it's going to swipe back. And there's also a ear tip fit test. So again, this basically uses the inward facing microphones on the AirPods to see if you put the right ear tips for your specific ear so that they sound the best. And yeah, So yeah, automatic ear detection. So every time you take an AirPod out, it'll stop playing. When you put it back in, it'll start playing again, just like the regular AirPods. The way they explain that over there is kind of weird. But anyways, let's go tap on microphone right there. You guys can see, and it says the active AirPod microphone can automatically change from left to right or be fixed to one side. All right, so there it is. All right, so I'm putting them in my ear, and by the way, this is what they look like. So here's the size comparison between the two. Let me hold it from the top so you guys can see better. But you can see it's a lot smaller, so that is pretty crazy. The stem is a lot smaller. So there it is. I'm gonna go and put these in my ears. So okay, this one is surprisingly right. I would think just by picking this up, this one would be left, but here we go. So I mean, it doesn't like go like super in your ears like in your headphones do usually, but whoa, okay, I already can't hear anything. So I'm gonna pinch it, or how do I do it? Oh, like this, okay, all right. Oh, and I hear like a little chime. Oh, wow. Yeah, now I can hear whoa, and it's kind of a bit echoey. I'm gonna do it again, so kind of clicks and then it goes ding, and then whoa. That is dope. I cannot hear, actually I can still hear myself, but it's like I could tell that the outside noise has been drowned out. Like I can usually hear the fans of my lamps, but now I can't hear them at all. All right, there we go. I'm going to play some music. Let's go and test this out. Let's just do Voices in My Head by Big Sean. About 75% volume. All right, I want to see if it has better bass. Okay, honestly, I'm not like blown away. I expected to see I have like more bass and stuff like that, but they do sound pretty comparable to the first gen AirPods. So I'm gonna play a different song, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna play. Let's do Sunday by NFX. So this is kind of like a more upbeat type song. Let me see how this plays. I'm gonna go skip through. Okay. The bass is there. It's not like a lot more bass, like crazy amount of bass, but it does sound more clear. It's not like really more punchy, but the bass is definitely a lot more clear. Yeah, okay, so these are not gonna be like the beats where like, you know, bass is like overpowering, you know? These are kind of a little toned down. It's kind of a more equal sound. So yeah, don't expect to have like super bass heavy headphones if you do buy these like I did, so. All right, here we go. Let's go and play another song. I'm going to do I Got the Juice by Meek Mill. So here we go. I'm like all the way up in volume. So that's what they look like in ear. All right, I'm going to listen to it without noise cancellation. So I'm going to use that little pinch. I keep on thinking it's like on the side, but it's like on the front. It's like on the front and back of your ear. You know, it's not like on the side like this. It's more like this. So here we go. Oh wait, I hear it. Boom. Okay, it's off. Yep, it's definitely off. So now we're in transparency mode, as Apple calls it. I'm gonna play music. Okay. Okay. All right. It does seem to be louder, and the bass seems to be slightly heavier when in transparency mode. And so yeah, I might actually be using transparency mode more often, like in situations like this where it's like not too noisy. But if you're on like commute, like on a bus or a light rail or somewhere where it's like there's a lot of noise, right, then I feel like the noise cancellation will come to handy. But if you're not in an environment like that, then do not turn it on. It sounds better when you're in transparency mode. So let's play another song. Okay, all right, here we go. And all right, now I'm gonna switch to what's it called, noise cancellation mode. Huh. Okay, this one, it actually sounds better on noise cancellation mode. I can't even hear anything. I don't know if I'm yelling. It sounds similar with transparency mode on and off. So these, again, do sound very comparable to the regular AirPods. I'm just gonna go and pop those in, see if I notice a difference. And I do have small ears, so I'm using the regular ear tips. And now let's do the ear tip test. So I got both of them in, and I'm sure I'm gonna put these in the wrong way because this is how they're made. It feels like they're supposed to go in the opposite ear, but here's the ear tip test right there. I'm going to tap right there. Test the fit of your ear tips. For the best acoustic performance, AirPods ear tips should create a complete seal when placed on your ears. Noise cancellation, a good seal. Okay, so it's basically talking about seal. Say continue over here. And all right, place earpods in both ears. They're comfortable and secure. Then press play to test fit. Okay, here we go. All right, they are comfortable. They're snug. I'm checking them right now. I'm gonna hit play. It's playing some music. Okay, all right. So both of them say good seal. Not sure if you guys could see that. I'm gonna go over here. But yeah, good seal, cancel. All right, cool. So let's play some loud music and we are good to go. All right, now going back to the manual over here because it did go by pretty quick, so I don't want to restart that. So it says you could press to play or pause. So again, it's a press, like it's like this. It's not like this. It's like, all right, so here I'm gonna play my music. Let's go ahead and just do that. It kind of clicks. It makes a click sound. And yes, my music is playing. So pause, just like that. And now it's paused, so that's cool. Now double press to skip forward. So I'm gonna go and play my music. So again, that's just one press, just release, and double press skip forward. So okay, it works. Okay, and triple press to skip back. Triple press, I was just hoping it would be the left one. All right, so triple press. All right, here we go. 1 2 3 1 2 3. It kind of just replayed the song. So okay, now it went back. Okay, cool. Say hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, that worked. All right, so cool. So again, I'm gonna go take this out, and it did pause. Okay, so it does work on that too. So basically, again, you guys can see this is what the unit looks like, and if I go and bring it over here, you guys can see that's what you like press on. So, and to play music, it's just one press and let go. To bring up noise cancellation mode or enter transparency mode, again, it's press and hold. And to go forward songs, it's double press. And to go back song, it's triple press. So 1 2 3, and then you go back song. So fairly simple controls. I was hoping that for the left one, it would go back songs if you go in and double press. And for the right one, it would just go ahead and forward the song if you double press. But I guess they had to put that triple press in there, so you can just use either one. All right, now before I end this video, again, here's what they look like in ear, because I know people are saying they look pretty goofy, but honestly, they don't. They're smaller than AirPods. Let me put in the regular AirPods, show you guys what those look like. So here are the regular AirPods, and that's what those look like. Let me go and put in one of each. So I've got the Pros in the left and the first gen on the right. So I can see that's what they look like. And yeah, so actually they look better because it's not like this huge like thing hanging out your ear. It's more subtle. All right, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the AirPods Pro unboxing and review. Those are my first impressions and what I think of them. Honestly, compared to the regular AirPods, they don't really sound like a lot different, okay, in terms of sound quality. But if you do want noise cancellation, then yes, pick these up. But if you're expecting like a lot better sound, a lot more bass, then these might disappoint, okay? So if you want noise cancellation and all the new features, then this is for you. And if the AirPods don't stick in your ear, then get the AirPods Pro. They have like a more tight seal, and they definitely will not fall out if the regular AirPods do. But yeah, guys, that basically concludes this unboxing and review of the AirPods Pros. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you gonna pick them up, especially for the price point at being at $249, but I paid like 260 something with tax. So yeah, they can get a little bit pricey. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this again. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to smash that like button. Also be sure to subscribe. That really helps me out a ton. Again, we're getting so close to 500,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And peace out.
Yeah. Look, lately I went missing with no permission, it's part of it. I've been working harder than competition from start of it. Now they looking at me, I see them all through the rear view. Kill yourself to get your spot, then they die to be near you. They think that I made it, cause I made it past them. They were never the target, my target is past